You can see the difference. The quality is trash, sorry. But see the different color? This is the color she was all winter. Black, hints of red. You can see the red in her leg. This is where I put the DE. And you can just see it in there. Still, it looks like to me. Look at Frida, still a beautiful coat. Long hair still. Look at this. She's got some hairs that are long. When it used to look like this, just beautiful and long. Oops. Is this coming out now? A little bit. It's okay. So thanks for watching. If you know anything about why that would be, my vet doesn't seem to know anything about DE, and I can't find anything other than the benefits of using it in cattle. I don't hear anything about the negatives. So, and exactly how to apply it. So if anybody out there knows how to do it, how I should have done it, if I did it wrong, what now I need to do to help them, let me know. If it's not a big deal and it's going to go back to normal and I just need to give her a couple months to be healthy and eat grass and get back to normal, great. Otherwise, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in. See you later.